Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to fix Grok AI video moderation and content filter errors. Encountering errors like sensitive content moderated or content filter error while using the Grok app can be frustrating, especially when you're unsure how to resolve them. These errors often pop up when the app's filters mistakenly block content that doesn't actually violate any guidelines. In this video, we're going to dive into a simple yet effective solution that can help you overcome these obstacles. By adjusting a specific setting, you can avoid these disruptions and enjoy a smoother experience with Grok AI. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide on how to resolve these errors. First and foremost, ensure that your device is all set up for this process. This involves making sure that the app is updated to the latest version, which can significantly improve its performance and compatibility. Also, remember to be comfortable with enabling content that might be deemed not safe for work, as this setting adjustment will make such content accessible. Begin by launching the Grok app on your device. Allow it a few moments to load completely, so you can see all the icons and the home screen. If you haven't used the app recently, make sure you're logged into the correct account that you typically use. This is crucial to ensure the settings you modify are applied accurately. Before diving into the settings, it's important to check your internet connection. Content filtering and policy verifications rely heavily on a stable network connection. A weak or unstable connection can mistakenly trigger these errors. If you're using Wi-Fi, confirm that you have a strong signal. You might need to toggle your Wi-Fi off and back on to stabilize the connection. If you're on mobile data, make sure data is enabled and that you have sufficient coverage. Sometimes, simply relaunching the app after securing a stable connection can clear temporary issues. Once your connection is in check, navigate to the bottom left corner of the app and tap on the account profile icon. It usually appears as a small avatar. This will lead you into the settings menu. Depending on your device, the settings might be behind a gear icon or a menu button, but it should be clearly labeled as settings. Inside the settings, look for the section labeled Data Control. This is where Grok AI manages options related to content handling and privacy. Find the toggle or checkbox that allows NSFW content and enable it. By turning this on, you're allowing the app to display and process material that might otherwise be hidden under a sensitive content notice. You might encounter an age confirmation or a short disclaimer at this point. Make sure to read through it carefully and confirm if you choose to proceed. It's crucial to remember that the availability of this option can vary depending on your region or account type. Always adhere to local laws and platform guidelines when using this setting. Use this option responsibly to ensure a positive experience. To make sure your changes take effect, restart the app. This involves closing it completely so that it's not running in the background. Once it's fully closed, open it again. This restart helps ensure that your new settings are recognized by both the server and the app interface. After reopening the app, try performing the same action or accessing the content that previously triggered the filter error. You should notice that the warning messages no longer appear. If you continue to encounter moderation messages, double-check your internet connection and ensure that the NSFW toggle is still enabled. And that wraps it up. If how to fix Grok AI video moderation and content filter errors feels easier now, subscribe to our channel PMN Online because plenty more guides are on the way.